in the heart of Europe, in the Czech Republic, the country that has brought such inventions to the world as contact lenses, the propeller, polarography, and nanofibers. The Jablotron company was established in 1990. From a firm with only 4 founding employees, it has grown into an enterprise with 450 employees and stands among the leaders in the global production of electronic alarms. The greatest advantage of Jablotron is its own development department. Here, we pay great attention to every detail of future products. All of them have to pass through tests. It goes without saying that our products are supported by applications for setting them up and remote administration. We carefully listen to our customers and their needs. It helps us introduce products into the market that are always a few steps ahead of our competitors. Thousands of installers take courses at our academy every year, where they gain valuable advice on high-quality installations. Thanks to the enthusiasm of our employees and feedback from our customers, our alarms regularly receive awards at prestigious trade fairs all over the world. % of our product pass through precise quality controls. This allows us to provide our customers with an extended guarantee and repair by replacement. Every day, our information system processes hundreds of orders that we handle in our shipment warehouse. From there, consignments leave for more than 85 countries worldwide, where they spread the good name of Czech electronics. The quantities and volumes keep growing, which is the best evidence of our good work to us. We are Jablotron.